Your little mermaid over there. Hey babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my Ariel sort of inspired hair. It's going to be a dyeing video, so I'm going to basically be showing you guys how I dyed this hair. It came with a lot of drama, it came with a lot of effort, time, energy, money, but at the end of the day I got a color that I really did like. If you guys want to find out how I got my hair to look like this, please stay tuned to this video, and please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you forgot from the first time that I told you. And let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, I do want to give you guys the specs on this hair. This is from a hair company called Yyonghair or Yyonghair. It has two Y's at the beginning, not sure how you're supposed to say it, but yeah, they gave me one 22, another 22, a 20, and an 18-inch frontal. So I got these bundles in the color 613. So if you don't know what 613 bundles look like, you'll obviously also see them in the clip. So basically they sent this to me and I was super excited because I had already had the idea that I wanted to color my hair. I've been wanting to try a really interesting color on my hair just because I feel like I hate being an in-the-box babes and I just want to fly and soar and try new things. By the way, please comment down below right now the next color that you'd like me to try, because I actually do have another 613 wig coming soon. So let me know what color you want me to dye so that I can do what you guys want, because I already asked on my Instagram what they want. So I feel like I want to do one where I do my my subscribers favorite, you know, hair color. I will choose whatever you guys want. So as I already said, got this hair color inspiration from my Instagram. I sort of gave them a list of colors that I was considering, and the most people wanted to see me do ginger. Obviously this is not ginger, this came out sort of sangria. That was the name of the color that it ended up being, the name of the dye that I used. It was called sangria. But right now I feel like in the light it is coming off really red, but when it is in natural lighting it looks orange, like a really I wouldn't say bright, it's like a bright deep orange. It looks gorgeous, like a coppery orange. It's what I live for. So first things first, I will tell you guys how I started dyeing. So my first initial concept or idea was to do the watercolor method. And if you guys haven't heard about this, this is basically when you take dye, you put it in a bucket of water or a pot of water. It can either be boiling hot or cold or lukewarm. You put the dye in there, you put your wig in there, your 613 wig. A lot of people tend to use 613 because guys, dyeing hair from, bleaching hair from being black into being super duper blonde is the projects, because basically what I did is that I took my wig, after I'd made the hair into a wig, it came in a body wave texture as well. So after I'd made the hair into a wig, I submerged it into a bowl of water and I waited. And I waited and I waited. I do this thing and it's a dud. My hair color is not changing much, so I don't know if I'm not noticing it, because obviously the color that I was initially going for is ginger, so it was really light, and the hair is obviously also really light, and the color of the water was like purpley, so I didn't really know, okay, is it actually changing or can I just not see? So I ended up washing it out after a while, because I watched so many episodes trying to wait for this thing to change color. I watched the Queen, I watched the River, I watched this, I watched that. This thing wasn't changing, so I said, okay, cool. I took it and I washed it out. Tell me why when I washed it, it's coming out a light rose gold. Tell me why that was happening. So I see that and Auburn, I was really upset, because I was like, I've paid money for this dye and now I've got to pay money again. You know how much dye costs, guys? It's actually not cheap. So I get sangria, and this time what I was doing is that I was dyeing it how I would normally dye any other hair, dyeing it from the roots and just putting color all over the whole wig. I do want to give you guys a review of the hair. So first things first, it came quite quickly. I think it probably came less than 2 weeks it was here. I like the fact that they had their own unique packaging. It was really cute. Came in like a pouch that just said Yyonghair, which was really great. the biggest con that I have with the hair, because honestly I didn't have any other huge cons, because it was 613 hair, which is super processed hair, because so I don't actually expect the hair to be at the same quality as my natural color hair, because of the fact that 613 hair, guys, is that blonde that is not even a real blonde. Like, it's honestly very, very processed hair, so you need to spend more time conditioning even when you are dyeing your hair. But the biggest con, guys, for me was the fact that the hair at the frontal at the front, obviously the frontal, the knots started to come undone, and even now they are still coming undone, which is so weird for me, which basically just means that there are strands of hair that are lying on the inside of the wig that have come undone because the knot is loose. And I don't really understand even why this happened, because I'd understand that if I was bleaching the knots, but I didn't bleach the knots with this wig, so I don't really get how and why that's happened here. It's actually not like anything I've seen before. I won't even lie to you guys. I was quite shook when I saw it the first time that this was happening. And yeah, there isn't really a way that you can fix it. My only worry is that even when I wear this wig, that the frontal is going to start balding quickly. So I don't think it's going to be a wig that I wear often. It's going to be a wig that I wear like every once in a while to an event or wherever. It's not going to be like an everyday thing. Other than that though, guys, it is really, really good hair. As you guys can see, the color took really, really well when I didn't do watercolor method. I think I am still going to try watercolor, but I think I'm going to buy the Adore dye that I usually see my fave hair influencers. I think they use Adore, which is, we don't have it in South Africa, but I think I'm going to order it online and actually try out the watercolor method for you guys to see how it actually looks when it actually works. But yeah, it's really great. It's great quality other than that, and as you guys can see, it still has kept its softness, which I love. And I didn't even do a deep condition here, which I should have, but regardless of that, it really did stand through all the dyeing that I did to it, because I did dye it more than once. But yeah, guys, without saying too much else, let us get straight into the coloring part of the video.
Hello, my good people. I did speak about a lot about the steps that I took in this process, but I'm kind of just showing you guys the dye, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually did the watercolor method. As I told you guys, it was a huge flop. This is the hair before. It is a 613 blonde wig that I made by myself. Thumbs up if you would like to see a how I make my wig video, because I actually got a wig table stand thing. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. As you guys can see here, the dye was coming out kind of funny, which is not really what I expected. But after I swirled it around in the water, by the way, is lukewarm. I don't think it really matters if it's hot, cold, or whatever, but I just prefer to have it lukewarm so that the dye particles can actually dissolve while I am trying to watercolor my hair. After this, I basically just submerged the wig in the water, and as you guys will see, I do come back and keep checking if anything is happening, and as you guys will see, the same results every single time. Not a damn thing was happening. I'll catch up with you guys after this section of the video.
The next day.
What's up, guys? Okay, I've low-key decided to sort of make this a bit of a vlog style situation, because Ndiagoa, this is how the hair looks right now. This is the color. I don't even know what kind of ugly ass color this even is. Like, what the hell is this? And so, my good people, I'm gonna be dyeing it one more time. What I'm doing right now is applying a got to be glued on the lace, so that when I dye it now, the lace doesn't get stained or anything. This is because this time I'm going to be dyeing the hair like not through the watercolor method, just through regular dyeing. So I don't want my lace to get stained, so I'm putting a shit ton of got to be glued on there. I might also put Vaseline on there. I saw someone do Vaseline as well. Let me show you guys the dye that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Renew dye in the color Sangria. It's a reddish copper blonde. This is I mean, good enough for me because I'm tired now. I just want my hair to look good, and I think I'm not really into the whole light auburn thing. I want it to look like bold and dark and like sharp. So my camera battery's dying. I'm gonna go charge my camera, so I'm just going to dye my hair, and then I will come back and show you guys how it looks when the color is all over the hair, because you guys know how to dye hair. It's literally just putting dye on the hair, and I'll also link a video if you guys want to see how I do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna put dye all over the whole head. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
2,000 years later.
Guys, okay, I'm so happy that I vlogged this because I ran out of dye. Oh my goodness, as you guys can see, I'm in a different outfit now because I just came back from the mall. I went to go back to the mall to buy one more box of dye. This is how the hair looks so long. Ooh, the hair has lots of splodgy bits. I don't know why it's not focusing, but anyway. So yeah, I had to run to the mall, the one that I was just at. Luckily, I had free Uber, my 6 Uber, so it was free. I just kept the same Uber going there, going back, and I didn't pay a damn thing. I'm really happy about that. And there wasn't like as much traffic as I expected. Right now it's around 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna quickly do this. Hopefully, everything's gonna come out good. Pray for me at this point of the video.
The next day.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really do appreciate your support and always appreciate the love. Please don't forget again to comment down below your color suggestions for my next 613 wig coloring adventures. I'd really like to know from my YouTube subscribers what color you guys would like to see me in next. I was thinking blue, but you guys let me know. I'm really open to really anything that you guys would like to see. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do not forget to follow me on all my social medias to keep up with the ZX family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.